Welcome everybody to a beautiful Tuesday afternoon here at Autosport Designs. Today we'll be driving this 1967 Mercedes-Benz 230 SL. And not only is it an iconic Mercedes-Benz product, but it's also very practical and usable, which we're about to show you. So we'll see you on the road. Here we are in this beautiful afternoon, going to take the 230 SL for a ride. It's been sitting outside for most of the day, so it is cold. And that's it.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! So now we're ready to hit the road. And not only is this a very practical Mercedes, but it's also very easy to drive. Anybody could just get in and go. This is a 4-speed manual car, which is nice. Most of them are automatic. We're just going to get on the road and we'll be back with you momentarily. We're here driving along in the SL, and this is one smooth summer cruiser. It's quiet, it's comfortable. I'll tell you, it's not too windy either. It absorbs the Long Island roads very well. This 4-speed is an absolute joy to drive. Whoever buys this car is going to really enjoy it. It's the perfect beach car, restaurant car, club car. Throw some tennis rackets in the back and go hit a few balls. So everything works. We've got the horn, got the radio. The previous owner elected to install this aftermarket Bluetooth module. It hooks up to your phone so you can play music, make phone calls, and there are speakers, extra speakers, underneath the dash. Oh, what up? Antoine and I hooked up and we played some of Antoine's favorite music.
Which is?
A lot of country.
Really?
This controls the fan. You can get nice outside air when you'd like. This is the direction. In the winter, when you need some warm air, that controls the warm air. So these cars are nicknamed Pagoda.
Why Pagoda?
Pagoda because when the hardtop is on, the roof, the way that it curves, resembles a pagoda building. And this happens to be a really nice one. In dark blue over Cognac, completely restored in the past. It still presents wonderfully. One of the original owners was actually a MTV executive. Temperatures and pressures are great. These are the hazard lights, blinkers, and as Tom likes to do, if I may be so bold, open the door, close the door, open the door, shift the car, close the door. All right, and I just want to take a moment. I think it's appropriate to just point out some of the foliage here. This car has lived a very relaxed, very comfortable lifestyle on the North Shore of Long Island as well as the Hamptons. It was restored out east by a very well-known Pagoda restoration expert. So even though the restoration's a little bit older, it still presents wonderfully. Drives exactly as I would expect one to. Plenty of power, very smooth. The gearbox feels great. We're going to head over to the farm road just so you can see it drive by a few times. Thanks for watching the flybys, everybody. I really enjoyed them. You can see how elegant and beautiful this car is from the outside. These Pagodas are absolutely timeless, and I know that whoever buys this car is absolutely going to love it and enjoy it very much. So you can find this car and others on our website at autosportdesigns.com, and be sure to follow us on Instagram at autosportdesigns. See you on the next one. Ciao.